From DaVinci Resolve, go to Effects. Under Toolbox, select Generators. In here, scroll down and find out this solid color. Add the solid color in your timeline. Now select the solid color, clip and go to Inspector. Then click on this color box and select a color for your line. And then go to Settings. Here, under Cropping, go ahead and crop the clip from top and from bottom, just like this. You can also crop from left and from right. Now, under Transform, you can change your line position just like this. You can move left and right. You can move the line top or bottom just like this. And to make your line vertical, rotation angle, give you a 90 degree. Then hit enter and your line will be a vertical line.